Hello and welcome to my tutorial for Kahoot.com. We will begin by starting off on the Google homepage. I'm going to go ahead and Google Kahoot. That is Kahoot. Click enter. We'll go ahead and click on the first link for Kahoot, which is Kahoot.com. There are different options to the beginning of the web page. You can explore different games. You can just automatically have the students, when they get on, click the play button. They'll have a game code. And as the instructor, you'll just automatically log in. So since I have my own Kahoot, I'm going to go ahead and log in as the instructor. All right. So you have Discover, which gives you different options of already made quizzes that you can use. Right here are the Kahoots that have already been made. We'll come back to that. The reports that shows you who has done well, which ones everyone's having a hard time answering, how many students you've had. And then over here to the side we have the create button. So we'll go ahead and click on that. There are different types of Kahoots you can create. There are quizzes, jumbles, discussions, and surveys. I'll go ahead and click on the quiz to kind of show you the example. It'll ask for the title of the quiz, a description of it. You can use hashtags. If it's visible to everyone or just yourself, your language, and then your audience if it's for school or business. Also, your sources is very important. And then you can have an intro video while everyone is getting prepped up. So let's go ahead and go back. I'll show you a Kahoot that's already been created. Since I'm an elementary art teacher, mine is based off of things that we've learned in class. So theories, elements, safety, history, a little bit of everything. Nothing too hard. It is elementary. So you can see I have about 41 questions. We'll scroll down and you can kind of see a few of them. Now, when you are ready to have the students play, they'll will log into Kahoot themselves, click the play button on the top right, and then it'll ask them for a game pin. But since this is the instructor's version, I'm going to go ahead and click on these little multi buttons and click preview to kind of show you what you can see. The good part about Kahoot, it is not just for computers. You can download the app for free and play it on phones as well. Um, Not to mention, it is free. This is so nice, especially as a first year teacher. Don't have the kind of money to splurge or anything like that. So we'll go ahead and click on Classic. It's going to ask you if you're ready to join. Now this is the screen that the kids would see. There is music playing in the background, but I have it muted right now since it's kind of loud. So right here, I'm going to pretend that we are playing on our phone, so we'll add in our game pin. So there it is. Click enter. It's connecting with Kahoot. Now you can pick a nickname. The nice thing is it will block any inappropriate ones, but the older kids will try to get around it, so you'll have to watch. Names will pop up on this screen, so if you see anything that is questionable, you can kick them off. So I'll go ahead and put my name in, and you'll see where it comes up. So if someone says something naughty, naughty nicknames beware, one click on your name and you're out of the game. So as you can see, you can exit it out. We'll go ahead and click on start. 41 questions are ready. See where it's loading. I'll turn on the music so our volume so you can hear the music on it. So what is the complementary color of blue? Is it purple, green, orange, or hot pink? There is a timer going. If you have several students playing, it'll show how many students have answered. Now, since I'm playing on a phone, I will have to click one of these. If you take too long, it'll say time's up and marks out. It'll show you how many students were correct. You can click next. Shows that I have 0 points. Go ahead and click next. Next one, who painted in the style of pointillism? Van Gogh, Seurat, Warhol, or Dali. I know that it is Seurat, so I'm going to click on that green. And as you can see, that was correct, so it gives me points for how fast I played and if I had the correct answer. So if you need to, you can continue on to the next 30 odd questions, or you can just end the game. There are podiums so the kids can see where they're ranking. They get excited about that. This is a game, but at the same time that they are learning. So it's pretty cool. You can click results, shows how many points I had. You can rate it if you learned something, if you recommend it, how you feel, save results, play game or new play again or new game. So Kahoot is pretty self-explanatory. You can just play around and click everywhere. Go back to the last page. Um, let's see. Click on the Kahoot. And so it's pretty great, pretty free, pretty fun. Kids really enjoy it whenever we do it during art on our Fridays, free days. Um, I would say that the ISTE that I would include for using this website would be 1D for modeling collaborative knowledge and being constructive by engaging in learning with students, colleagues, and others in face-to-face and virtual environments so they can chat amongst themselves but also play online and see each other play as well. Also, 2.A, a design or adapt and relevant learning experiences that incorporate digital tools and resources to promote student learning and creativity. So that is it for my tutorial for Kahoot. I hope you enjoy it and have fun with it.